Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Small Talk Podcast. I am Emily.
And I am Robert. Hello, hello. It is so good to see you all today. Or, well, to talk to you all today.
Emily, how are you today? How is your day going?
I am good. I am awake. That is something.
Awake is a great start. Did you sleep well?
Well, I slept. Was it good? I am not sure. I woke up and I pressed snooze 2 times.
2 times! Robert, the snooze button is not your friend.
The snooze button is my best friend, my very best friend.
I woke up early today, before 7. I sat with my tea and just listened to the quiet. It was lovely.
Tea and quiet. That sounds very nice. Maybe one day I will try that. One day.
One day, okay. But before we start today, we have a small request for everyone listening.
Yes, please subscribe to Small Talk Podcast. It helps us so much. And please share this episode with one friend who is learning English.
Just one friend. You can do that. Okay, so Robert, today our topic is daily life. Talking about our day, our routines.
Oh, I like this topic. Everyone has a day. Everyone has a routine.
Exactly. And this is very useful English, very practical. You can use these words and phrases every day in real life.
So, let's talk about our day. Emily, let's start with the morning. What is the very first thing you do?
The very first thing. Okay. I wake up, I turn off my alarm, then I go to the kitchen.
And you make tea?
I make tea. Yes, I put the water on. I wait. Then I sit down. No phone, no TV, just the tea and the quiet morning.
No phone. Wow, that is very calm. I look at my phone immediately, before I even sit up.
Before you sit up, Robert.
I know. I check messages, I check the news, I check everything. And then I feel tired again.
The phone can wait. The morning is so nice without it. What about breakfast? Do you eat in the morning?
I try to eat. I'm not very hungry in the morning, so I eat something small. Maybe toast. Or a banana. Very fast, because I am always a little late.
Always a little late because of the snooze button.
Because of my best friend, yes. What about you?
I eat a proper breakfast. I like yogurt with fruit or sometimes eggs. Scrambled eggs with a little salt.
Eggs in the morning. You have a lot of time, Emily. I'm impressed.
I wake up early, so I have time. It's a good system. Okay, after breakfast, getting ready. Do you take a shower in the morning?
Yes, I take a shower every morning. A hot shower. It wakes me up better than coffee. Well, almost better than coffee.
Almost. Coffee wins. I also take a shower. And then the hard part, getting dressed.
Oh, yes, getting dressed. I open my closet and I think, what do I wear today?
And what do you wear?
I keep it simple. Jeans and a shirt. Every day. Same thing. No thinking required.
Simple is smart. I like to choose something nice, but sometimes I change my clothes 2 times before I leave the house.
2 times? And I thought I was the one who was late.
Fair point. Okay, so we are ready. How do you get to work, Robert?
I take the bus. The bus near my house comes at 8:15. I have to walk 5 minutes to the stop.
And do you always catch the bus?
Usually. Sometimes I run. The bus driver sees me running and he waits. He is a kind man.
A very kind man. I drive to work. I have a small blue car. I like driving in the morning.
Is the traffic bad?
Sometimes. On Monday mornings, it is always busy. Many cars. Everyone is going to work at the same time.
Yes, Monday traffic. Nobody likes Monday traffic.
Nobody. But I listen to music, and it's okay. Okay, let's talk about the workday. What does your morning at work look like?
I sit down, I turn on my computer, and first thing, I make another coffee.
Of course you do.
It is important. Then I check my emails. I have so many emails every morning. Where do they all come from?
I know that feeling. My inbox is always full. I read emails, I write emails, I go to meetings.
Meetings. Yes, I have meetings too. Sometimes too many meetings.
Too many meetings and not enough time to work. But then lunchtime comes.
Lunchtime, my favorite time of the workday. Do you bring lunch from home or do you buy?
I usually bring my lunch. I make a sandwich at home or I bring leftovers from dinner the night before.
Leftovers. Smart. I always want to bring lunch, but then the morning is busy and I forget. So I buy lunch near the office.
What do you buy?
There is a small shop. I buy a warm soup and some bread. It is very good. And I sit outside if the weather is nice.
Sitting outside at lunch. That sounds wonderful. Fresh air is important in the middle of a busy day.
It really is. After lunch, I feel much better, ready for the afternoon.
And then the afternoon. Work continues. But around 3 o'clock, I always feel a little sleepy.
3 o'clock, yes, the 3 o'clock tiredness. It hits every day.
Every single day. I drink a glass of water or eat a small apple. It helps a little.
I drink tea at 3 o'clock, a warm cup of tea. It's like a small hug in the afternoon.
A warm hug. I love that. Okay, 5 o'clock. Work is finished. What do you do first when you get home?
I open the door, I put down my bag, and I take off my shoes. That moment is the best moment of the day.
Taking off your shoes after work, there is nothing better.
Nothing. And then I change my clothes. Work clothes off, comfortable clothes on. A soft t-shirt. That is true relaxation.
Yes, the comfortable clothes are essential. I do the same thing, and then I sit for a few minutes, just rest. No talking, no emails, just sitting.
Just sitting. That is important. After a busy day, your brain needs to rest too.
Exactly. And then dinner. Do you cook, Robert?
I cook simple things. Pasta is my specialty. I make pasta maybe 3 times a week.
3 times a week? You really love pasta.
Pasta is easy, pasta is fast, pasta is delicious. What is the problem?
No problem at all. I like to cook different things. I try new recipes sometimes. I find a recipe online and I try it.
Does it always work?
Not always. Sometimes it's delicious. Sometimes it's a little strange, but it's fun to try.
That is brave. I stay with my pasta, safe and delicious. After dinner, what do you do?
I wash the dishes, then I sit on the sofa, I read a book or watch something on TV. Something relaxing, nothing too exciting.
I also like TV in the evening, a funny show, or sometimes a documentary, something interesting.
And bedtime? What time do you go to sleep?
I try to sleep at 10:30. I brush my teeth, I get into bed, I read a little on my phone, and then I sleep.
And then the alarm comes and the snooze button and the cycle begins again.
The beautiful cycle. I go to bed at 10:30, I get up at 8. That is a lot of sleep.
Sleep is important. I go to bed earlier, around 10, and I wake up before 7, so about 8 hours. It feels good.
8 hours, yes. When you sleep well, the whole day feels better.
It really does. Okay, everyone, we talked about our whole day from the morning alarm to bedtime. We used so many useful words. Wake up, get dressed, go to work, have lunch, come home, cook dinner, go to sleep.
Simple words, easy sentences, but very useful in real English conversations. You can talk about your day with these words every day in real life.
Yes, practice makes progress. Now we have a question for you. Leave your answer in the comments below.
Yes, tell us, are you a morning person like Emily, or are you an evening person like me?
Write it below. We love reading your comments, every single one.
And don't forget to subscribe to Small Talk Podcast and share this episode with a friend.
Thank you so much for listening today. You are wonderful. Keep practicing your English every single day.
See you next time, everyone. Bye-bye.
Bye, everyone. Have a beautiful day.